Hi, this is James Ferguson. I'm a seasoned AWS professional. I've been in the business for over 25 years. I have been at Amazon for a little over 5.5 years. I'm super excited to be speaking with you all at the Crayon Cybersecurity Forum this year, and definitely look forward to seeing you all in person. My background and role includes cybersecurity. I'm a principal solutions architect specific to security across strategic accounts for Amazon, and look forward to providing some of that information to you around generative AI and security when how we help customers in their daily move to the cloud, as well as what they do in totality as an enterprise. So look forward to it, and we'll see you soon.